Tony Robbins' Awaken the Giant Within is a profound exploration of the powerful connection between our decisions, beliefs, and life outcomes. At the heart of Robbins' philosophy is the transformative power of decision-making. He asserts that every moment of our lives is shaped by the choices we make, both the significant and the seemingly trivial. It's not just about making decisions, but about consistently making the right ones that move us closer to our envisioned future. A key aspect of the book focuses on our belief systems. Robbins explains that these internal narratives, often form subconsciously over time, shape how we view the world. Some beliefs empower us, while others hold us back. By identifying and challenging limiting beliefs and nurturing empowering ones, we can reshape our reality. He offers practical strategies for dismantling negative beliefs, urging readers to take control of their internal narratives. Robbins also delves into the mastery of emotions. He believes emotions are not random, but are responses that can be understood and controlled. By mastering our emotions, we can change our reactions, and consequently, our interactions, leading to more positive outcomes in life. A standout concept in the book, Neuroassociative Conditioning and AC, Robbins' method for changing behavior. An AC is a structured approach to reprogramming unproductive habits and behaviors, aligning them with our goals and desired outcomes. The questions we ask ourselves also play a crucial role. Robbins argues that the quality of our internal questions determines the focus of our thoughts. Solution-oriented, positive questions lead to clarity, focus, and progress, while negative, limiting questions trap us in doubt and indecision. Language is another fundamental aspect of Robbins' teachings. The words we use, both in our thoughts and communications, have the power to shape our experiences. By choosing our language intentionally, we can not only frame situations more positively, but also influence the emotions of those around us. Robbins extends his teachings to practical life skills, addressing financial mastery with strategies for managing and growing wealth effectively. He also explores the complexities of building and maintaining relationships, emphasizing the importance of communication and mutual growth. Finally, Robbins highlights the critical role of health and vitality. He believes that with strong energy and health, all other goals become achievable, and shares strategies to boost vitality and maintain the stamina needed to pursue dreams. Ultimately, Awaken the Giant Within is more than just a book. It's a transformative journey through the depths of the human mind and spirit. Robbins calls on readers to not only live, but to live with purpose, understanding, and a commitment to contributing to the world, awakening the dormant giants within us all.